Welcome to this video. We are up at my family cabin in the Northwoods of Minnesota on a beautiful lake. This property is really special to us. It's been in our family since 1936. I'm really excited for what we're going to do in this video. First and foremost, we're building a small shed to house a couple of our toys that we have here. We've got a 50cc scooter, and I just brought up my 180cc scooter. And then we're also going to be testing out a brand new portable power station. This is the Ugreen Power Roam 1200 watt portable power station. I'll give you all the specs of this bad boy a little bit later on, but first things first, let's get into the build. Okay, so I've got the foundation laid out. Everything is level, which honestly for a build like this is probably the hardest part. From here, all I have to do is start to put together the frame. My drill died. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to charge the battery on the drill while we make some of the cuts for the other pieces of the frame.
All right, so these are the plans that I drew up. So this is what the frame is gonna look like. I'm gonna start with these guys right here.
All right, I think our drill battery should be charged enough. Let's get back to work. Uh-oh. Ellie, what are you barking at? Oh, it's Sandy! It's okay, Ellie. It's okay. This is Sandy. She's a neighbor dog from one of the resorts that's in the area here. It's looking good. Now for this roof, gonna make a little frame for it using two 8-footers. And then we're gonna support it by cutting this guy up and putting it on the sides, and one in the middle. Next we're gonna attach these beams like this. Haha! Now I can get the other side, I think. So there you have it, guys. Very simple little shed to store our mopeds and other little things. There's certainly more to do to this. I want to stain it. I'm going to build a door here. I'm going to put wood up on the back as well as the other side. But that'll be done another day. Can you believe all of this was done with tools that are being powered by a portable power station? Looks good. Alright, so we're starting at 88%. We'll see how much energy we use brewing this pot. Alright, now while we wait for this coffee to brew, I want to tell you some of the features of this power station. First and foremost, it charges up extremely fast with an AC outlet. It will go from 0% to 80% in just 50 minutes. Now what that means for us here at the cabin is that if we hear of bad weather approaching, we can probably charge this thing up before it hits. Next, it's got push battery capacity with U-turbo. Basically what it means is you can power a lot of different appliances with this thing, and we've seen that today. And of course there is easy app control. Just download the app to your mobile device and you can control this thing. You can put child locks on, you can monitor your power usage and really take your control of it to the next level. And if you're interested in using solar power, you can charge this thing back up in just 4 hours. So with all that to say, I'm really excited to have this power station up here at the cabin, and so far it is working really, really well. All right, that sound means she's wrapping up. Let's see where we're at here. So we're at 73%. We went down 15% in our battery. And honestly, I'm extremely impressed by that. I've done one of these tests before with a different power station, and it killed 20% of the battery in just 3 minutes of having this coffee maker plugged in. I didn't even get to the part where you start brewing it. You guys look at all the mosquitoes trying to get in. We're starting to get into the bad part of the year up here. All right, so before we put this bike into its brand new home, we're gonna head out on a ride and hit a new trail that I've never gone down before. Looks pretty good. It's straight through the forest, so it should be really pretty and just a lot of fun. So let's hit it. I just love how when you leave our property here, you just get to look out at the lake. Absolutely gorgeous. Alright guys, this is the route. Let's do it. getting kind of thick in here. We're definitely deep in the woods. All right, well, we are at a T. The road goes either that way or that way. I think this is our point to turn around. Well, they're both in there. They're a little crammed. I'm sure there's a better way to do this, but you know, it's good to have them out of the rain.
Aw, look at that little cutie.
This is the best outfit. All right, that's gonna do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I am so happy that we were able to build that shed. There's definitely a few more finishing touches to do, but at least for now, the bikes are out of the elements, and that's all I can ask for. I'm also super impressed with this power station. If you wanna check one of these out, you can head to the link in the description and use my coupon code. Definitely recommend it. All right, guys, we'll see you on the next one.